નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સીડ ઓફિસર ક્લાસ 2ની એક્ઝામ પ્રિપેરેશન માટે એસડીયુ એમસીક્યુની શરૂઆત કરી હતી, જેનો 19th પાર્ટ છે એગ્રીકલ્ચર એન્જિનિયરિંગ ચેપ્ટર 1. ધ મેજર કોન્સ્ટિટ્યુટ એલિમેન્ટ ઓન અર્થ એટમોસ્ફિયર ઇઝ નાઇટ્રોજન. The major constituent of element of sun atmosphere is hydrogen. What is soil? The uppermost layer of earth is a soil. What is environment? Surrounding like land, water and air is environment. What are the 3 R of clean environment? Is recycle, reuse and reduce. What is the prime source of water on earth? It is rainfall. Which is the most common fuel generating electricity in India is coal. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. Main constituent of CNG is methane. The what available on earth can be generated. The water available on earth can be used to generate electricity. The inexhaustible resource that are replenished by nature is known as renewable resource. Petroleum and coal are example of fossil fuels. Which one is the example of fossil fuels? All of the above. Coal, oil and natural gas are example of fossil fuels. Water can pump by using bioenergy, wind energy and solar energy. The mechanism by which energy passes through soil medium is known as conduction. What is the full form of LPG? Is liquefied petroleum gas. Main constituent of LPG is butane. Renewable energy, it is called green power because it does not produce any harmful pollutant. Sunlight, air, soil and water are example of renewable resources. The process of changing waste material into original form to be used again, it is called recycle. The electricity produced by force of water is known as hydroelectricity. What for the greenhouse gases are responsible? It is responsible for global warming. The electricity generated in hydroelectric plant by allowing water to fall from the height on the blade of a turbine which move together, which move a generator. A machine which power is produced when stream of water push the blade of wheel and make it turn around is known as turbine. In India, which of the following state has geothermal energy plant? આન્સર હિમાચલ પ્રદેશ, કર્ણાટક અને જમ્મુ કાશ્મીર ત્રણેયમાં geothermal energy plant છે. Which of the following renewable energy is used as source of farm power? That are bioenergy, wind energy and solar energy. 1 calorie is amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Biogas typically refer to gas produced by a biological breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Anaerobic reaction થાય બાયોગેસમાં. The process of gas production by biological breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen is known as anaerobic digestion. Which of the following is biodegradable waste? Vegetable and fruit are biodegradable waste. Which one is the major constituent of gas in biogas? Is methane. CNG અને બાયોગેસ બેમાં મિથેન વધારે માત્રામાં હોય છે. Which gas has major share in biogas? CH4 methane. For what purpose the biogas is mainly used in rural areas? For cooking purpose. What is the biggest source of biogas in rural India? Is Cattle dung. Which one of the following is the most common source of biomass? Is plant. Which of the following is not biomass? Water is not biomass, while cattle dung, plant, and trees and wood are biomass. Which of the following is biomass? All of the above. Plant, tree, cattle dung, wood are the biomass. Which method is used for generating energy from biomass? Answer all of the above. Combustion, pyrolysis, gasification, all method used for generating energy from biomass. Biomass can be converted into gaseous fuel, for solid fuel and liquid fuel. Biogas can be used for Biogas can be used for lighting, cooking and transportation. In biogas, the gas yield is maximum in the thermophilic region and the period of digestion get reduced. In biogas plant, the gas yield is maximum in thermophilic region. The digestion process get improved. The dome of Janta biogas made a concrete. A dome of Janta biogas plant is made up of concrete. What is the what is the type of KVIC biogas plant? Is a floating dome type. Which of the following is the local name of biogas in rural area? Gobar gas. In rural areas, the locally generated gas from cattle dung used for cooking and lighting is called biogas. Which of the following factor irrelevant with respect to biogas production? Answer છે quality of water is irrelevant, while carbon to nitrogen ratio, pH ratio and temperature is relevant. The waste of material of living and non-living thing is called biomass. Which of the following is not a raw material for biogas generation? Is coal. In general, biomass consists of lignin and carbohydrate in a respective proportion of lignin છે બાયોમાસની અંદર એ 25%, જ્યારે કાર્બોહાઈડ્રેટ અથવા શુગર છે એ 75% હોય. વોટ ઇઝ ધ કેલોરીફિક વેલ્યુ ઓફ બાયોગેસ ઇન કેલ્વિન કેલરી પર મીટર ક્યુબ? તો બાયોગેસની કેલરીફિક જે વેલ્યુ છે એ 5000 કેલરી કેલ્વિન પર મીટર ક્યુબ છે. વોટ ઇઝ ધ ટાઇપિકલ કમ્પોઝિશન ઓફ મિથેન ઇન બાયોગેસ? મિથેનનું જે ટાઇપિકલ કન્સન્ટ્રેશન છે 60% છે બાયોગેસ પ્લાન્ટની અંદર. વોટ શુડ બી પીએચ વેલ્યુ ઓફ સ્લરી ફોર બેટર ગેસ પ્રોડક્શન ઇન બાયોગેસ પ્લાન્ટ? પીએચ છે 7 થી 8. ઇન બાયોગેસ પ્લાન્ટ the gas yield is maximum at the temperature range of 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. CN ratio of dung is approximately 3:1. In biogas plant, optimum CN ratio for maximum microbial activity is 30:1. The respective proportion of wet cattle dung and water in slurry feed to be digester of biogas plant is 1:1. In biogas plant, the gas produced from 1 kilogram of wet cattle dung is 0.073 meter cube. In biogas plant, the gas produced from 1 kilogram of wet cattle dung is 0.073 meter cube. The dual fuel engine is in the position to make use of biogas and diesel in respective to proportion is 75 થી 25%. Chapter 3. The screw presses briquettes are the far superior than ram press solid briquetters in terms of storability and combustibility. As compared to ram press solid briquettes, the screw press briquettes are far superior. As compared to screw press briquettes, the ram press solid briquettes are far inferior. Briquetting is done for densification of biomass. Briquetting in biomass is done for densification. Densification of biomass is known as briquetting. The thermal chemical or thermochemical conservation, thermochemical conversion of biomass or waste is known as pyrolysis. Gasification is the process where the fuel is partially oxidized. Gasification of biomass through pyrolysis process is known as thermochemical conversion. Charcoal is obtained from wood. The process in which waste material is reduced to ash is known as incineration. Updraft gasifier is also known as counter-current gasifier, while downdraft gasifier is also known as co-current gasifier. The gas produced by the downdraft gasifier is called producer gas. A producer gas produced by gasifier is consists of carbon monoxide સૌથી વધારે હોય, then nitrogen and hydrogen. Biomass gasifier produce combustible mixture of different gases is known as producer gas. Major constituent of gases in gasifier gas is carbon monoxide. Biomass briquettes have ash content in the range of 2 to 10%. What is the heat value of gas produced in gasifier is 950 થી 1200 કેલ્વિન કેલરી પર મીટર ક્યુબ. Solar radiation reach Earth in the form of beam and diffuse radiation both. Solar radiation reach in the Earth in the form of beam and diffuse radiation both. Solar energy can be used in the form of electrical energy, thermal energy and mechanical energy. A solar thermal collector is a heat exchanger that converts radiant energy into heat. Solar thermal collector convert radiant energy or radiant solar energy into which type of energy? Heat energy. Most commonly used working fluid in the solar collector is water and air. Insulation is provided in a solar collector housing to prevent loss of heat. Which type of collector are used to convert solar energy into heat is flat and focusing. Which type of reflector is used in the box type solar cooker is mirror. Which of the following is used to cover box in box type solar cooker is double glass layer. Lid of solar cooker is made up of glass. Solar panel is made up of silver. Solar cell is made up of germanium, silicon, semiconductor element. Solar cell is used to convert solar energy into electrical energy. Solar lantern has which type of lighting system? It have electrical system. Which of the following system is the application of thermal energy? Is the solar water heating. In solar water heater, hot water is available for use in any time. Solar energy can be stored during the day and can be utilized all the time. Which instrument used to measure direct solar radiation is pyrheliometer. Pyrheliometer is used to measure direct solar radiation. Pyranometer is used to measure total अथवा global solar radiation. Solar energy can be used to produce electrical energy, thermal energy and light energy. Which process create radiant power of sun is nuclear fission or nuclear fusion. Active domestic water heating system is also known as forced circulation system. Active domestic water heating system use an electrical pump to move the water in solar cycle. The way heat moves through solid material traveling from molecule to molecule is conduction, solid weight of conduction. The way heat circulates through liquid or gases is convection. The way heat moves through air from the warmer area to cooler one is radiation. Solid હોય તો conduction, liquid અને gas હોય તો convection અને જ્યારે air હોય તો radiation. Thermal capacitance refer to ability of material to store heat. Solar energy can be converted directly into electrical energy with the help of photovoltaic cell. Photovoltaic system is the technology of solar cell for converting solar energy directly into electrical energy. The photovoltaic effect refers to photon of light knocking electron into higher state of energy create electricity. Solar module or solar array is the main component of solar photovoltaic system. Among renewable energy, solar electric generation has highest power density. The transfer of solar energy from sun to earth is governed by radiation. A solar cooker normally used in the house is box type. The passive domestic water heating system is also known as thermosiphon system. Solar energy can be used to cook food is solar cooker. Cabinet type solar dryer suitable for small scale use. Solar pond are used for collection and storage of solar energy. Solar gradient is the phenomena observed in solar pond. Energy energy Energizer is used for solar fencing. Solar energy is the thermomagnetic energy emitted by sun in the form of radiation. Solar energy is the electromagnetic energy emitted by the sun in the form of radiation. The movement of collector on one axis in the order to follow movement of sun is called tracking. The sunshine recorder measures duration of bright sunshine. The solar box cooker is a typically reach maximum temperature of 100 થી 120. Solar cooker 100 થી 120 degree Celsius maximum temperature on sunny days and clear sky. Most of the solar radiation is direct beam radiation and diffuse radiation only account about 5 થી 20% of total. The hydrogen content in the sun atmosphere is about 80%. During nuclear fusion process, how many hydrogen nuclear fuse in the form one helium nucleus, 4 hydrogen ion, 1 helium ion બનાવે. Among the renewable energy, solar electric generation has highest power density with a global mean of 170 watt per meter square. The solar radiation received per square meter area on Earth's surface is 0.64 kJ per second. The average intensity of solar radiation received in India is the range of 400 to 700 calorie per centimeter square. Which of the following is the high wind energy region in India? Gujarat. What is wind? Air blowing very fast is known as wind. Wind energy converted into useful form of energy, it is called wind power. Wind is the form of solar energy and wind are caused by uneven heating of the atmosphere. What is the purpose of wind energy can be used is to draw underground water to operate flood mill to generate electricity. Wind can be used to draw underground water, operate floor mills and generate electricity. Wind turbine is the rotating machine which convert kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy. Anemometer is used to measure wind speed. The instrument used to measure wind speed is known as anemometer. In vertical axis windmill, the axis of rotor is perpendicular to ground. In horizontal axis, wind turbine is the main rotor shaft it pointed toward wind. In ratio of power, the ratio of power delivered by rotor of the windmill to maximize power available in wind it is called performance coefficient. The ratio of the speed at the tip of rotor to the wind speed is tip speed ratio. With increase in height, wind speed is also increased. Wind power of plant are required to have large rotor size for the large power output due to low power density and low power density of air stream. Which of the following force act on blade of wind turbine rotor is both drag force and lift force? Windmill with Darius type of rotor is known as vertical axis machine. During the day, the surface of wind flow from sea to land. The main disadvantage of wind power is capacity to utilize is less. Okay, the capacity of utilization is less is the main disadvantage of wind power. Wind energy conversion device based on drag force moves slower than wind. Air density as standard condition is 1.226 kg per meter cube. Minimum wind speed for effective generation of energy from windmill should be 10 થી 15 km. Chapter 6 Using conventional technology, first generation of biofuel are made up of starch, vegetable and sugar. The second generation of biofuel production possesses use of non-food crop. Third generation of biofuel produced by algae. Bioethanol. Bioethanol is mainly produced by process of sugar formation. Ethanol is produced by process of biochemical conversion. The basic step for large-scale production of ethanol is dehydration, fermentation and distillation. Which plant has been city high yield source of biodiesel is Jatropha. Which biofuel are it is called advanced biofuel second and third generation. Biodiesel produced from oil and fat using the process is transesterification. The pure biodiesel is referred as B100. Pure biodiesel is referred as BXO. Oil content in Jatropha is 30 થી 40%. How many times more energy per acre algae can produce in comparison to land crops such as soybean is 30 times. B20 blend of biodiesel mixed with petroleum hydrocarbon or diesel can be generally used in unmodified diesel engine in respective proportion of 20 થી 80%. Thank you.